So same with double by double digit multiplication. Students need to know really more than one way to solve this. It's part of the curriculum. For me, it's most important for them to know just one way at least that they're really confident with, and then knowing some other ways is kind of a bonus. So there's the traditional method, which everyone kind of would have done growing up, where you regroup. I'm not going to show that on this video because I think most people know how to do that. But the other is the box method. So what you have to do is you have to break these here into their individual kind of place value components. So I'm going to draw a larger box here just so I can see. And I'm going to break the 24 into 20 and 4. And I'm going to break that 25 into 20 and 5. So it's really breaking them down into each of their place values. And then you kind of break these off. So I've got different squares for each one. Now this square right here is really going to be 20 times 20. The answer to that goes in here. Now 20 times 20 is easy because you really only have to do 2 times 2, and that's 4. And then you put the 2 extra zeros in, so it's going to be 400. This square right here is going to be 20 times 4. So 20 times 4 is 2 times 4 is 8, and then I put the 1 0 in. This bottom square here is 5 times 20. So 5 times 2 is 10, and then 1 0. And then this last square is 5 times 4, which is 20. And then we add all these up, so I might write it over here if I couldn't do it in my head. So 400 plus 100 plus 80 plus 20. And when I add that all up, 0, regroup, 4, 5, 6, 600. Now you can do this also with this method, 24 times 25. And I'm just going to move this up a little bit and over just so we can see. And it's the same thing as that box method, but you kind of write out each of those. So I'm going to go, I start at 5 times 4, and then I would find the answer. 5 times 4, 20. Then I go 5 times this 2, but it's not really 5 times 2 because it's really 5 times, this is really 20 in this spot. So it's 5 times 20. And that's where the students get tricked up on this one. So they have to know it's really 20, not 2. So 5 times 2 is 10 with the 0. Then I go 20, because this 2, or 2 times 4, it's really 20, because 25. 20 times 4, which equals 8 with a 0. And then 20 times this 2, which is 20 times 20, really. And that equals 400. And when you add all those up, then it's going to equal the 600 like it did earlier. So again, either the traditional method, box method, or area method, or this last method here, or even if you know another method, because there's lots of different ways to do multiplication. Make sure they're good at one method, really strong with one method, and then they can practice some other ones as well.